Tell us a little bit about yourself, Dr. Murphy.
I'm a family physician who's been practicing for about 10 years now. Most of my career, I did family medicine in the office, primary care, but the last 2 years, I've mainly been focusing on hospital medicine.
All right. And what was your childhood like?
I was raised in a small rural town in North Carolina. I went to public school for elementary through high school. I did many activities like cheerleading, track. I was in pageants, sang in a church choir. Just love hanging out with friends, playing with cousins, those kind of things. Just had a normal childhood, I would say.
Now, what made you pursue medicine as a career?
I always loved school, loved learning. Science was so intriguing, loved math and numbers. And so I also always loved helping people, like being a servant to others. And so it kind of just all fell together for me to decide to join medicine. I did think about accounting as an option when I was in high school, but I just thought it would be too easy and not really challenging and not as fulfilling. So medicine was my choice.
All right. And I think the subscribers out there and people just generally watching, they want to know a little bit more about you, the person. So, what gets you excited outside of medicine?
Well, I love reading. I love eating out at different restaurants and trying different foods. I love going to the beach and relaxing and getting a good
Now, what
massage.
are some challenges that you have faced in your career?
My career, I would say the biggest thing as a family physician is trying to find a balance between work life and home life. We have a lot of responsibilities outside of just seeing the patient, for the encounter face to face. We have to do paperwork and referrals and talk with other physicians the specialists that we were referring them to, and work with insurance and, fill out FMLA. And there's so many things outside of just taking care of the patient. And that spills over into my personal life a lot. So that's been a challenge for me.
How do you keep yourself motivated?
Lucky for me, I get to work doing something I truly love and enjoy and feel like is a true passion of mine. So it doesn't take much to get motivated. Just talking with patients and helping patients be healthier is motivation enough. So thankfully, I'm fortunate to have found a career that is just very fulfilling and rewarding in and of itself.
All right. And as we wrap this up, Dr. Murphy, what's one thing that you wish everyone knew about healthcare?
I wish people knew that they had more control than they realize. There's some things we don't have control over, that was set by our DNA and our environmental exposures and things like that. But if you really like take the time to think about things and to break it down to the basics of it all, you'll realize that you can make a difference in your health. It just takes talking through things and getting support and resources to help you make the changes you need to make, but you have more control than you realize.